This is the X8R Qashqai Tailgate Repair Kit, which repairs your existing tailgate handle when the original clips fail from poor design. The kit comes with 2 improved design clips and acetone to fuse them to your existing handle. X8R also offer a fitting kit, which comes with 6 spring clamps, a paintbrush, and a bag for the acetone. Our full instruction guide and link to purchase is in the description below.